Assalamualaikum. My name is Ain Syawani binti Azman. Today I would like to present about equities trading for profitable and unprofitable company. First of all, the executive summary after I have done doing trading equities game. Overall, I am able to learn about trading as in real life because the flow, strategy and ways to play the Bursa marketplace game is similar to if we are trading in a real life. Besides that, I know how to differentiate the profitable and unprofitable companies in trading, and I know about the current news or updates in each company because I need to do a lot of research and findings on the particular company stock before doing such trading. Other than that, I am able to apply the technical analysis indicator during stock trading in order to determine the buy and sell signal. Next is trading on total profit. The overall ranking for the trading game in Bursa is as shown in the table. Firstly, the initial value that I have in Bursa marketplace is 1 million. After 43 trades were done, the initial value that I have has increased from 1 million to 1,067,373 ringgit. So the total profit that I earned from the trading game is 67,373 ringgit for overall stock that I have traded. Based on the stock that I have traded, the highest profit that I gained is 58,600 from M3 Technology stocks. Okay, so next, grading on total profit for a profitable company. M3 Technologies is one of the higher profits that I have earned during trading. Based on the chart in the slide, the price movement shows an uptrend pattern. In this stock, I buy when it is on the lower price at 6 cents and I will sell when it is on the higher price, which is at 7 cents. Most people usually spend in this kind of stock because it is easily predicted. It is called penny stock, which is share price is below 1 ringgit. During the trading game, the price maintains between the range, so the future price is easily predicted when I want to buy and when I want to sell the stock. Therefore, I managed to gain profit at 58,600 after 3 times trading in this stock. Then, grading on total profit for an unprofitable company. Mine, the most unprofitable company is MNC Wireless Berhad Company. Based on the chart in the slide, the price movement of the chart shows a downtrend pattern. This kind of stock is also called a penny stock since the share price is below 1 ringgit. However, since the pandemic COVID-19 arose, the stock price is affected. In this stock, I did not get any profit since the price does not make any changes during the trading game. The price stays at 4 cents and goes downtrend from the last 3 months chart trend. So I decided to sell the stock with the same price as when I buy the stock, and hence I did not receive any profit or loss in this stock. Now we go to the fundamental analysis. For profitable company, which is the M3 Technologies Asia Berhad, it is a Malaysia-based mobile value-added services provider. The company is engaged in the provision of mobile solutions. The company's business also encompasses a range of mobile solutions and platforms such as multimedia products, wireless access protocol, and Java 2 Micro Edition applications catering to all channels of its business. M3 Technologies has been listed on the Bursa Malaysia Kuala Lumpur's ACE market, formerly known as Nasdaq, since January 2003. This company has a stable financial position even during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is because their share is at a penny stock price. Moreover, nowadays all things need to be done via technology, therefore they can survive and maintain a good share price during the pandemic. The company delivers approximately 2 billion messages per month with global delivery and settlement of mobile messaging and data services, which include SMS, MMS, and WAP. Next, for an unprofitable company, which is the MNC Wireless Berhad. It is a Malaysia-based company. It is a mobile and digital solutions company. The principal activities of the company are sales and marketing and research and development of wireless, mobile and multimedia solutions, and content and investment holding. The mobile application segment is engaged in the provision of mobile application platforms for short message services (SMS) to mobile phone users. MNC offers a wide array of obstacles matching services ranging from mobile apps development, website development, social media apps development, social media management, mobile messaging, and mobile payments. In this talk, they do not give any profit to me because the share price remains at the same price. Currently, the share price is decreasing from the share price that I bought at 4 cents to 35 cents. For the technical analysis, the strategy that I use to identify the stock price is the same for both profitable and unprofitable companies. So, there are 4 strategies that I use, which are: first, trend lines. For the trend lines, I will look at the trend line patterns either bullish or bearish before I start trading. If it starts to bullish, I will buy the stock, and when it is bearish, I will sell the stock. Second is volume. I will refer to the volume since they have a relationship with price and trend lines that can be used to confirm the trend. Number 3, bid and ask price. I will look at the lowest and highest price on the day I trade. For example, if the price is at bid, I will buy, and if at the ask price, I will sell. Number 4 is support and resistance. This one I will buy when the price breakouts at the resistance line and sell when the price breakout at the support line. Next, the most workable and unworkable strategy. For a workable strategy, I choose a bid and ask price. For me, this is the most workable strategy because I just only refer to their lower and higher price on that day. It is easy to identify the price movement, moreover, when using a daily chart because I can see clearly when it is in the lower price and when it is in the higher price. Therefore, whenever the price is shown as a lower price, I will buy the stock and I will wait until the price rises before I sell the stock. For the unworkable strategy, for me is volume. This is because it is hard to predict the future price by only referring to the volume indicator. In order to know whether I should buy or sell, I need to refer to another indicator also, such as price, trend line, or chart pattern, MACD, and others, or else it does not help me to get a better future prediction. In conclusion, basically all companies in stock trading are affected by the COVID-19 outbreak, no matter what sector or industry it is. Thus, the company is mostly faced with a huge loss in their financial position. As a consequence, most of the company's share price is declining and the company performance is unstable. Despite that, there are also many companies that still can give us high profit during trading in the market, even if the company performance shows that the company is unstable. Therefore, people still could trade in a downtrend company because the company takes over the risk by decreasing their share price and they could receive a high profit. Lastly, my recommendation is people must do a research to find the new updates or issues that may be affected by the company's share price. Besides that, a company's background research is also important in order to identify their financial position and performance in the market. The most important thing is that people should implement the best and workable technical analysis strategy before doing such trading in each company's stock. Hence, all of these recommendations may help people to ensure either the company trade is profitable or not for them. That's all from me. Thank you.